Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I clean my silver jewelry in just 3 to 4 simple steps. So if you guys are interested to see how I do that, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this is just a preview of my jewelry before I have cleaned it. So this is just a bit of a before, just to show you how the jewelry is currently looking. As you can see, it's pretty dirty and full of all of this gross stuff that is on it. And yeah, so this is just what the jewelry is looking like before I have cleaned it. So this is the jewelry cleaner that I use. It is for sterling silver jewelry. You can also get one for gold jewelry. This was $25 and I just picked it up from my local jewelry shop. If you can't get it from your local jewelry shop, just look online. Now I have a pair of pink tweezers as well, which is what I use to put the jewelry in and out of the cleaner, just because I didn't want it to ruin my nails or my skin or anything like that to dry it out. So it just comes with this little white thing in the middle of it, which is where you place the jewelry and then you clean it. As well, I have the tweezers just to pick the jewelry in and up out of the white thing that comes with it. Now I'm going to take my first piece of jewelry, just stick it in the little white container, and then I'm going to dunk it in and out of the jewelry cleaner for 10 seconds. Now that the jewelry has been in there for 10 seconds cleaning, I'm going to remove it with a pair of tweezers, and I'm just going to put it down on this cloth that is in front of me, and I'm going to pat down either side of it just to make sure that there is no extra cleaning product on there. So I'm just going to put it in there, give it a bit of a pat on both sides, and then I'll remove it and put it to the side. This is what the bracelet is currently look like. As you can see, it's completely clean again. Now going straight into the next one, I've put it in for 10 seconds, and again I'm just going to place it on the towel, and I'm going to pat down either side of the bracelet just to make sure all of the excess cleaning product is off the bracelet. And as you can see, it is really nice and silver again and looking very clean. I also just wanted to mention this video is not sponsored. I have purchased this cleaner on my own and wanted to try it out and see the results that it gave, so I was excited about it and wanted to do a video. Now onto the next one, again dunking it in for 10 seconds, cleaning it, and then I'll remove it with the tweezers, pat down on either side of the piece of jewelry just to make sure there's no excess product on there. And then this is what the bracelet is looking like after it's been cleaned. And then I have another one which I didn't do the part of the video on, but it is also really clean. Now what I'm doing is just putting the bracelets into some warm water just to make sure that all of the excess cleaning product is off the bracelets and they are nice and clean again. And I'm just going to go through each one of these individually, clean them off, and then I will pat them down just to make sure that they are dry. Now this is an overview of the bracelets after I have cleaned all of them, soaked them in the cold water as well, and then patted them all down to make sure that they are dry. Hopefully this is picking up okay for you guys on camera so that you can see the difference. I will also insert a photo of a before and after, straight after I've done it, just so that you can see, but they are so clean. They looked really, really good. I'm so impressed with this cleaner. Okay guys, so that concludes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed seeing how I clean my jewelry. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below asking anything that you need. And yeah, I will link the products that I have used down below as well. So if you guys were wanting to check them out, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And don't forget to subscribe before you leave as well. It would mean so much to me. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!